Anything for you, I swear to God. Happy birthday. I love it. Happy birthday. Nah, you fronted. You fronted. Love it. Oh, babe. Happy birthday, Jada. Happy birthday
Go on, we're there again with some good news. So shout out to Jada and her boyfriend. You know, yesterday was his birthday and she bought him a diamond watch, right? So the caption on the video say, Jada Kingdom brought out the jeweler at Oscar Stone NYC to present her man's Nace BK30, a bust-down Cartier for his birthday. Right, so when them say bust down, people, that's all the diamonds that's on the watch. You know, it's diamond encrusted, and then the Cartier part of it, I think that's the brand of the watch. You see what I say? I don't want to go on like some know it all. I'm gonna know, but we hear the rapper them sing about it all the time. We hear Popcorn sing about the skeleton Cartier. You see what I say? So we know it go. You see what I say? So shout out to Jada Kingdom and big up the general himself. You see what I say? On his birthday yesterday, Nace BK. You see what I say? Anybody Jada rock with, automatically we just big them up. You see what I say, people? So wanna see what go on. Also, we're gonna talk about Jada EP. So Jada EP was supposed to drop yesterday. I don't know, I look around, but I see she drop some song. She drop a music video also for a song named Next Time. But we know say everybody still wait on GPP. So ladies, put it down in the comment section. We see people on Jada Kingdom page. I say how much longer them have to wait for the GPP. You see what I say? But we know, people, good things come to those who wait, right? So we still are listening out for GPP. Now, people, me go move on and me go show you where the other ladies them are going with some spices in Europe. She went to Switzerland, Zurich, and then now she moved on to Paris, and we don't know where she go. She have well, actually she did post all the dates and where she's going, but she there Europe right now. You see what I say? She left from Canada straight to Europe. Also, Shenseea is in England, people. First, we are gonna just take a look at Spice video. You know what I mean? Spice post few little clips. So I have one from Paris, and then we have one where they might travel on the road. We are gonna watch them then, and then we watch Shenseea little clip. So without any further ado, here goes.
What is this the original Spice and Fox is a number? Just like that. Very I want to see my beautiful friends. I love you guys so much. I want to see everybody.
Yeah, people, so this is a Spice up on the road and she take everybody with her. So I say she have a full house, a full team with her. I got through the tour over Europe right now. You see what I say? So big up Spice and big up the whole team. But more time, you see what I say? The team tired and the team they want to take a rest. We don't know. They might do it while they might travel. You see what I say? But Spice video them and I say, watch ya. We don't can't really power them people, you know, because everybody asleep and left the artist alone. You see what I say? So people may have a short little video for sure, no? Spice video, our whole crew drop asleep. Pon the movement, she had the only one awake. And she and the driver at least, you see what I say. But take a look at this. Here goes. But yeah, people, we know them thing they go. You see what I say? We just catch a sleep wherever we find for catch a sleep. You see what I say? Spice used to this. Everybody else on the trip maybe not used to it as much as she, but Spice been do this for years. Spice know for wall out and know when to drop asleep and when not to drop asleep. And who knows? Maybe Spice did asleep when everybody did awake. You see what I say? Maybe Spice just wake up as everybody asleep now and video them. You see it? So we don't know what go on, but big up Spice and big up the whole team. Now, people like me say, Shenseea again now, Shenseea out in England. You see what I say? Rock the show, tear up the show. We just have a little sneak peek of it. You see what I say? We don't have a lot, but we have something. And I love these people because all of the ladies, them are work. Them are work 3 times as hard as some other artists. You see what I say? Some artists never get opportunities, but my ladies, them are leading at the dancehall right now as far as working and shows and all of these things. Them are do it all. You see what I say? Jada put out music. Shenseea put out music. She a work. Shenseea gone on tour. Chanel just go off a tour. Spice step on tour. We don't get the idea for me, I say. But people, let's see what Shenseea go on with in England. Take a look at this. Here goes. Now people in the sewer go on, and once again, like I said, I can't stop saying it. I'm very proud of the ladies. I'm just mention a few, you know, the major ones them, but you have other ladies. You have like Pamputea do the work. Same way Pamputea go on good enough people. You know what I mean? I go start make some video and make sure, you know what I mean, I'm showing you what Pamputea go on with as well. So big up Pamputea, you see what I say. And people, you see what I say, you have other young artists, you have some other female artists who are going good for themselves. You see me? Me feel like them are do good to the level where them there. You know what I mean? On social media wise, them are going good. Them just now get the, you know, over the top break there yet. They not get the big song yet or nothing like that. But them are work. You see what I say? I love to see how in time the ladies them work because them know them have to go 10 times as hard and them do it. You see what I say? Now people, that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.